KMC's HPO-6700 series output override boards offer great flexibility and customizations for use in a variety of HVAC applications with our BAC-5900 series general purpose controller and its expansion modules. Choosing the correct board or card for your application and output type, as well as wiring them correctly, is critical in making sure your controller works properly and safely. 5 output boards make up our HPO-6700 series. The first 3 boards, 6701, 6703, and 6705, are designed to convert binary outputs to a relay or triac output. Also, they add the ability for handoff auto and feedback functions. These digital boards are discussed in a separate video. The other 2 boards, 6702 and 6704, are used for analog outputs, either a 0 to 10 volt signal or a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. These also have handoff auto capability and feedback functions in addition to providing an adjustable potentiometer. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to wire your outputs using the analog cards and how to choose the proper card for your output. The HPO-6700 provides a 0 to 10 volt signal with an adjustable override potentiometer. The HPO-6704 is very similar to the 6702, with the difference being it provides a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. If your output requires volts, use the 6702. If it requires milliamps, use the 6704. Both are powered internally by the controller, unlike the digital override cards that require additional power to the switched common. First, we will install our 6702 analog override board. Open the cover panel and remove the jumper associated with your output. Then, place the card into the slot corresponding with your output. In this case, we have inserted the 6702 into slot number 1, meaning it will respond to universal output 1. Now we can wire our 0 to 10 volt device. Start by connecting your signal wire to the UO1 terminal. Your common wire will then be grounded to the ground terminal. You will never use the SC terminal with our analog boards. Next is the 6704. Again, remove the jumper and install the override board. In this case, we have installed the board into slot number 2, corresponding to universal output 2. Take the signal wire from your 4 to 20 milliamp device and connect it to the UO2 terminal. The common wire will then go to the ground terminal on the block, which is the same as the previous card. Just a reminder, you do not need to use the SC terminal for analog outputs. This will result in improper operation and may damage the equipment. If you have any questions on wiring methods beyond the scope of this video, please refer to our installation guides and datasheets found on our partner portal. To learn more about wiring similar products, such as our digital HPO cards, and exploring the other solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, please visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.